Let's talk about what happens when you expect this to hold up this through all weather seasons. Hey there, welcome to the channel. My name is Jacob and I am the owner-operator of Lively Lighting Co. I'm the founder and creator of PermTrack, and today we are going to talk about permanent outdoor lights and what actually makes them permanent. So let's take a look at what we see on systems installed without PermTrack. Okay, here's the home. And like all of them, they've had an issue with, you know, the VHB, like right there, you know. You see, the marketing leads you to believe that the system installed without a track system is going to be beautiful and blend in with your home for decades to come. However, that's really not the case. VHB stands for very high bond, and it can be when it's applied under the right three conditions. 1, you need a clean, dry surface. 2, you need the right pressure for the right amount of time. And 3, you need to be within the right temperature range. And if you don't meet all of those conditions during your install, your breakdown of the adhesion is going to be accelerated by the temperature changes on the outside of your home and the different weather conditions and the variance in humidity especially that happens throughout the whole year. And to be honest, that's just going to end up costing you more time on the ladder and effort where you got to get back up there and fix it, or money where you're going to have to hire someone to come fix it for you. When I was developing PermTrack, I wanted to solve 3 major problems. And that was that I wanted it to actually make your lights permanent, hence permanent outdoor lights. I wanted it to be easy to work with and customize while you're up on the ladder. And then the number one reason, the biggest response that we always get is, I want to hide my wires, but I don't want to see it during the day. And so I wanted it to blend in architecturally with the home. And that's how we arrived at PermTrack. Okay, so as we go into the second half of the year and we just passed 4th of July, I hope everyone had a phenomenal 250-year celebration. I know my family and I did. It was quite the thing to be a part of, you know, the biggest 4th of July probably of our lifetime. And, you know, as you think about the upcoming holidays, it's going to get busier. Installers are going to be busy. You know, we've got Halloween coming up, we've got Diwali, and then on to Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. You know, consider installing with the track system, or if your budget doesn't allow for that, you know, getting an install that uses more than the VHB. Thanks again for joining me today. And remember, be grateful and live lively.